Welcome to the practice. Before we begin, know that it is okay if your mind wanders. The practice of meditation is to gently guide your attention back to the present moment when the mind wanders too far. With time, it will become easier. This is why it is called a practice. Let's begin. Find a comfortable position, and we will simply take 10 deep, intentional breaths together. Each inhale and exhale will be through the nose. Once you have found your position of comfort, let all of your breath go, release, and as slow as you can, begin to inhale through the nose for a count of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And exhale through the nose. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. In through the nose. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And exhale through the nose. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. In through the nose. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And exhale through the nose. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale. And exhale, let it go. Inhale. And exhale, let it go. Inhale, focus back on the breath. And exhale, release through the nose. Inhale, breath, slowing down the rhythm. And exhale, release. Inhale, breath. And exhale, release. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale. And exhale, release. Sitting with this feeling, begin to notice how just 10 deep breaths changes how you feel. Listen every day until you feel ready to deepen your practice to 10 minutes. I will see you tomorrow. Thank you. Thank you.